Right, so basically we ran across this and
why don't they let us dump them in over there?
well then we got to come this way anyway.
No, you know where the farmers are? Go and buy some fucking eggs and say, can we put our canoes in here? I thought we were going down.
No, we're going that way.
That way. We're going that way. Yeah.
You're right. He's right.
Yeah, we're going that way. Wait a minute. According to the map.
Yeah.
I had a look on Google Earth.
Right, we don't actually know which way we're going.
Guys, how are we going to get through that a bit? I said, did you see? It's like, Will, which way are we going? So why don't we just go further down that way? That was pretty blocked up down there, wasn't it?
I'm getting wet. My name is Ricky. And I think I might be a guinea pig on this little episode. Yeah, you're the ball guy.
You're an Arctic explorer, is that right?
Come on in!
It's a 1970s Arctic explorer.
I'm Kirk, and I'm emergency control.
Ross, and seemed like a good idea at the time.
So what do you expect to get out of the day?
Sore arse, blisters, obviously a body like Will's. That'd be useful.
Lee, I'm here to find the source of the River Thames. We will one day. One day.
Which is your canoe? Well, you don't know yet.
I think I'm getting in that one, but I'm not entirely sure.
In the inflatable?
Otherwise, I'm on my own. I'm swimming.
Ben, I'm here to video the experience, Extreme Kayaking 2. It's going to be a great day, it's going to be hell, and we're not even in yet.
What? 5-star hotel. What the hell are we doing? And action!
Right, Will, what's happening up there?
He's shaking the floor.
I can't see it from here.
Yeah. Lee, if you could just smile.
You smile for the camera.
You could just describe what's going on.
He looks like he's about 12 years old.
Yay!
He's with excitement.
Oh.
He's spread out for a picnic.
Really?
Yeah.
You filming this?
Right, the cars are over there. See you guys.
Oh, we just got back to the cars then.
Covering the ox of fire.
Well, aren't you going to break that into 5 or 6?
Is it just for you?
Fucky, you're not going to eat that.
It's just my sustenance.
Oh, mine! It's mine now, is it? Well,
No I in team.
there's no I in team.
I can share did you not bring rations with you?
Yeah, well, what point did you guess that? Anything.
Apple. You want Sony?
Anything.
Is that nice, Will? Enjoying that?
I've got...
The Grim Reaper canoeist is following us.
Yeah.
He's going to pick us off.
Yep.
It's like don't look now.
He's kind of bedraggled. He just lives in the bank, not on the bank. Just comes out.
He just hovers above the water in a
Catch him
sort
out
of
the edge
mist.
of your eyes. You don't.
If you catch him in your eyes, it takes
Catch
you.
him out the edge of
Mist
your
on
eyes.
the water, and you just see 2 red eyes following you down. And all you hear is...
Is it an alcoholic?
And that's it. Started off that way.
It's a slight crossbow.
Picked off by a red-eyed alcoholic.
Can't see shit. Like,
This is definitely.
is this a wall? What is it? Is it made of?
It's a beaver dam, isn't it?
It's an otter's dam or something like that. Somebody's inconsiderately put this here to piss us off. Yeah. Well, he's got the bank. There's so many nettles. Look at that.
Yeah.
Over the top, boys. This is exploring in Essex.
Tell you what, we'll watch them go over and then we'll just learn.
I think so.
We'll learn. Basically what we're going to do.
Right. No! Get a crack! Oh, Will!
Oh my God.
Oh, the half crack.
Oh, no!
That's a fucking problem, a giant pile of mud.
Ah.
What's the ankle?
Will, can we go home now? No? No?
We'll find you.
Look at that. He's done this before.
Oh, loving it. Loving it. Anyone to chipping on there? Oh, I need to get wet. Look at this.
Damn that. Oh.
What kind of tree is that?
Willow.
Willow.
Twisted willow. Right. What is it? Onwards and upwards, right? Lead on the blows. 100 years old. Yeah, it's the same tree growing, isn't it? Is it? Yeah, it's just a
With this song that I'm singing, be a warning. When you're running down our country, man, you're walking on the fighting side of me. I read about some squirrely guy who claims that he just don't believe in fighting.
Well, you have to tell us the story because we've got no ending.
The story?
Yeah, like what happened? Why are we in the car park now?
We're in the car park because our trip was rudely curtailed by us getting found out by a farmer for kayaking through his fish river.
For trespassing?
For trespassing, basically. And we thought he was going to blow our face off, but it ended up really good because he actually gave us a lift to the car park.
And now we're here?
Now we're here.
Running down a way of life, our fighting men have fought and died to keep. And if you don't love it, leave it. Let this song that I'm singing